Hello students, welcome back in EVS class. We are doing chapter 11, My Neighborhood. Today we will start with page number 83. Let's start with activity time. Reena wants to buy a few things from the market. Match the things to the right shops from where she can buy them. Here these are the things and these are the names of the different shops. Okay, you match it with the given names. Milk. From where do you get the milk? From the mother dairy. From dairy we get the milk products. Next is sugar. We get the sugar from the grocery shop. And salt also from grocery shop. Next is cake. Cake, biscuits, etc. that we get from the bakery. Next is Dettol and Band-Aid. Both these we get from the chemist shop. And next is pencil eraser. Pencil eraser we get from the stationery shop. Next is post office. We can buy envelopes, postcards and stamps from a post office. And we can also send letters, parcels and money orders from here. A postman works in a post office and he collects letters from the letter box and delivers them to our homes. Yes children, from post office we get the envelopes, postcards and stamps, and we can post letters in the post office. And do you know who works in a post office? That is called a postman. And what is the work of a postman? He collects letters from the letter box and deliver that letters home to home. This is the work of the postman. Next is courier service. We can send and receive packets and parcels through the courier service. The people who work here pick up packets and important documents and deliver them to people at offices and at homes. Yes, like postman collect the letters from the post office and he deliver home to home. Same way the people they collect the important packets and documents and they deliver the things at offices and at homes. Next is school. Everyone knows about the school. That school is a place where children love to come and they come to school for learning, studying, etc. Yes, children learn many things at school. They learn how to read and write. They also learn interesting activities like craft, music and dance in the school. A teacher helps the student learn all these things. Yes children, in the school only you are learning all these things and some other activities like craft, music, dance, skating, swimming, horse riding, etc. All these things are also taught in the school. And do you know who teach you and helps you in your studies? That is called a teacher. Yes. And next is bank. A bank is a safe place to keep our money. We can also keep our jewelry safe in the bank lockers and we can take them out whenever we need. Yes children, bank is a place where we can save our jewelry and money and whenever we need we can take out from the bank. Do you know nowadays banks have ATM machines. We can take out money from them anytime. Yes, like you know bank is opening on the time like 9 to 5, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So if we need money after 5 p.m. then how can we get the money? You know now these days ATMs are installed at many places, so we can get the money anytime. Even at the night time also we can go to ATM and through the card we can take out the money. Next is cooking gas service. The people who work in a gas agency deliver cooking gas cylinders at home. They also fix gas pipes and repair gas stoves. Yes, students, the gas cylinder which is used in your kitchens, that is delivered by the people, those who work in the agencies, and they repair and they fix the gas pipes also at your homes. Next is mason. A mason is a person who works in a building. He works with stones, bricks and tiles and binds them with cement. Yes, a mason is a person who build your home. And do you know with what he makes your home? He makes your home with stones, bricks, tiles and cement, etc. Next is police station. Many policemen and policewomen work in a police station. They help to maintain peace in the society. They guard our neighborhood. They protect us and keep us safe. They catch thieves and help to find lost things. Yes, many policemen, policemen and policewomen both are working in the police station. And how do they help us? They help to maintain peace in the society. And what do? They protect us and keep us safe. How? Like they catch thieves and help to find the lost thing. If our things are lost anywhere, then we go to police office and we make the reports over there, and they find out to help the lost things and they catch the thieves also. Okay children, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Revise this video.